Hey everyone, today's fun JavaScript lesson is all about color. We learn how to create a random background color using RGB values. This is a great way to spice up your pages and experiment with visuals. Let's see what problem we're trying to solve. We want to gen generate a color with random red, green, and blue values. Each color channel can only go from 0 to 255, giving us millions of combinations. Once we generate that color, we'll apply it directly to the page's background. Let's take a look at the JavaScript that makes this happen. This function uses math random to get values between 0 and 255. We format these values into an RGB string using string concatenation. Finally, we log it and assign it to the background style of the document. Let's summarize how this all works. Here's a quick summary of the flow. We use random values, convert them into RGB format, and then apply them to the page. You can refresh the page or call the function repeatedly to get new colors. Let's see how it behaves with different runs. Every time we call the function, it generates a totally new color. This can give you vibrant combinations of soft pastel tones. You can easily style different parts of your page this way too. Now, let's explore where you can use this in real projects. There are some playful and practical uses for this, from games to art generators to teaching tools. Color makes things pop. This technique is quick to set up and adds a creative layer to any site. Let's finish up with a quick recap of what we've learned. And that is how you generate random background colors using JavaScript. It's simple but super satisfying to see in action. Keep playing with styles and get creative with visuals. Thanks for watching and happy coding. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.